Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael, and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about my first day living alone.
Hello everyone, I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi Michael, I am doing very well. How about you?
I am doing great, thank you for asking.
That is wonderful to hear.
Sarah, have you ever lived alone?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes, I started living alone a few years ago.
That sounds like a big change.
It was a very big change.
How did you feel before moving into your own place?
I felt excited, but I also felt nervous.
Why were you nervous?
Because I had never lived alone before.
That makes sense.
I was used to living with my family.
So everything was different?
Yes, everything was different.
Tell us about your first day.
My first day started very early in the morning.
Were you moving into a new apartment?
Yes, I had rented a small apartment.
Were you happy with it?
Yes, it was small, but it was clean and comfortable.
That sounds nice.
I thought so too.
Did your family help you move?
Yes, my parents helped me carry my things.
What things did you bring?
Clothes, books, kitchen items, and some furniture.
Did you have many boxes?
Yes, I had a lot of boxes.
Was moving difficult?
A little difficult, but everyone helped me.
That was nice.
Yes, I was very thankful.
What was the first thing you did after arriving?
I put my boxes in the living room.
Then what?
I started unpacking.
Did it take a long time?
Yes, much longer than I expected.
Really?
Yes, I did not realize how many things I owned.
That happens to many people.
I agree.
Which room did you organize first?
My bedroom.
Why the bedroom?
Because I wanted a comfortable place to sleep.
That sounds smart.
Thank you.
Did you decorate the apartment?
A little.
What did you add?
I added some photos and a small plant.
Nice.
It made the apartment feel more like home.
I understand.
What about you, Michael? Have you ever lived alone?
Yes, I remember my first day very clearly.
Really?
Yes, I was excited all week before moving.
Why were you excited?
Because it was my first time having my own place.
That sounds exciting.
It was.
Were you nervous too?
A little nervous.
What worried you?
I worried about taking care of everything myself.
Like cooking and cleaning?
Exactly.
Those are important responsibilities.
Yes, when you live alone, nobody reminds you to do things.
That is true.
On my first day, I spent hours organizing my apartment.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it felt good.
What was your favorite part?
Setting up my living room.
Why?
Because I wanted a comfortable place to relax.
That sounds great.
It really was.
Did your family visit your apartment?
Yes, they visited on the first day.
How did they react?
They liked it.
That must have made you happy.
It did.
What happened after they left?
That was when things felt different.
Different how?
The apartment became very quiet.
Did you feel lonely?
A little.
I felt the same way.
Really?
Yes, when my parents left, I suddenly realized I was alone.
That is a strange feeling.
It really is.
What did you do?
I turned on some music.
Good idea.
It helped the apartment feel less quiet.
I watched a movie.
Did that help?
Yes, it helped me relax.
Living alone teaches you many things.
I agree.
What was the hardest part for you?
Cooking my own meals.
Really?
Yes.
Before that, I did not cook very often.
What happened on your first day?
I tried to make dinner.
How did it go?
Not very well.
Why?
I forgot to buy some ingredients.
Oh no.
So I had to go back to the store.
That sounds funny now.
It does.
My first meal was very simple.
What did you eat?
Pasta and salad.
That sounds good.
It was easy to make.
Did you enjoy your first evening alone?
Mostly yes.
What did you do?
I sat on my couch and looked around my apartment.
How did you feel?
Proud.
Why?
Because I had worked hard to reach that moment.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
I felt proud too.
Living alone is a big step.
It certainly is.
Did you learn anything on your first day?
Yes, I learned that being independent is important.
I agree. I also learned that simple tasks take time.
That is very true.
Things like shopping, cooking, and cleaning require planning.
Exactly.
Did anything unexpected happen on your first day?
Yes.
What happened?
I couldn't find my phone charger.
Really?
Yes, it was in the wrong box.
Did you find it?
Eventually.
That's good.
I was worried for a while.
I can imagine.
By the end of the day, I felt tired but happy.
That sounds like a successful first day.
It was.
My first day ended the same way.
Really?
Yes, I felt tired, but I also felt proud of myself.
That's a great feeling.
It certainly is.
But Michael, my first night living alone brought a surprise that I was not expecting.
Really? What happened?
Well, after dinner, I started getting ready for bed.
That sounds normal.
It was, but then I heard a strange sound.
A strange sound?
Yes, it came from the kitchen.
Were you scared?
A little.
What did you think it was?
I wasn't sure.
What did you do?
I walked slowly to the kitchen.
Then what happened?
I discovered the sound was coming from the refrigerator.
Really?
Yes,
That must have been a relief.
it was.
Sometimes new places have different sounds.
Exactly.
Did you sleep well that night?
Not at first,
Why not?
because every little sound seemed loud.
I understand.
The apartment felt very quiet, and then every sound got my attention.
I had a similar experience.
Really?
Yes, on my first night I heard noises from outside.
What kind of noises?
Cars, people talking, and a dog barking.
Did it bother you?
A little.
Did you get used to it?
Yes, after a few days I hardly noticed it.
That's interesting.
Living alone takes time to adjust to.
I agree.
What happened the next morning?
I woke up feeling excited
Why excited?
because I wanted to continue setting up my apartment.
Did you still have boxes to unpack?
Many boxes.
Wow.
I spent most of the morning organizing things.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, every box made the apartment feel more complete.
That sounds great.
It really was.
What was the first responsibility you noticed?
Grocery shopping.
Really?
Yes, I opened my refrigerator and saw almost nothing inside.
That's funny.
It was true.
What did you buy?
Milk, bread, eggs, fruit, and vegetables.
Good choices.
I wanted healthy food.
Did you make a shopping list?
Yes.
That's smart.
Living alone taught me to plan ahead.
I learned the same lesson.
Really?
Yes, one day I forgot to buy food.
What happened?
I opened my kitchen cabinets and found almost nothing.
Oh no.
So I had to go shopping very late in the evening.
That's not fun.
No, it's not.
Living alone teaches responsibility.
I completely agree.
Nobody reminds you to buy food.
Nobody reminds you to clean either.
That is very true.
What was the hardest responsibility for you?
Keeping everything clean.
Really?
Yes,
Why?
because small messes become big messes if you ignore them.
That's excellent advice.
Thank you.
I learned that lesson too.
How?
I left dishes in the sink for 2 days.
What happened?
The kitchen looked terrible.
That sounds familiar.
After that, I started cleaning every day.
Good decision.
Living alone also taught me about time management.
That's important.
Before living alone, I had more free time.
Really?
Yes, I didn't realize how much work goes into daily life.
Cooking, cleaning, shopping, and laundry all take time.
Exactly.
But there are many good things too.
Like what?
Freedom.
I agree.
You can organize your home the way you like.
That's true.
You can choose what to eat.
Yes.
And you can create your own routine.
That was one of my favorite things.
Mine too.
Did you ever feel lonely?
Sometimes.
What did you do?
I called my family and friends.
Did that help?
Very much.
That sounds great.
I also invited friends to visit.
Nice.
We watched movies and shared meals.
That must have made the apartment feel more welcoming.
It did.
I think balance is important.
What do you mean?
Enjoying your independence while staying connected to people.
I completely agree.
Looking back now, what was your biggest lesson?
I learned to trust myself.
That's powerful.
At first, I worried about every little thing.
And later?
Later, I realized I could solve problems on my own.
That's a wonderful lesson.
What about you?
I learned confidence.
How?
Every challenge taught me something new.
Such as?
Cooking, budgeting, cleaning, and planning.
Those are valuable skills.
Very valuable.
Do you think living alone helped you grow?
Absolutely.
I feel the same way.
It wasn't always easy,
No, it was not.
but it was worth it.
I agree completely.
Sometimes difficult experiences teach us the most,
That is very true.
and every small success feels special.
Exactly.
Making your first meal,
Cleaning your first apartment.
paying your first bills.
Solving problems by yourself?
All of those moments build confidence.
They certainly do.
What about our listeners?
Have you ever lived alone, or would you like to live alone one day?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear your story.
And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.